Alright, what's happening, YouTube fam? Welcome to the channel. Once again, Daddy Sanch, Sanch fam channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today we have Dad's Hacks. Today we're doing deep dish pizza sliders. Now I'm going to show you how I do it. So I'm going to have some help from the boys. It's Dude's Weekend. Been President's Day weekend, Dude's Weekend. Mama Meg's out of town. You know, she had to fly out, go see some family. She took baby Ophi. So, it's going to be Daddy Sanch today with the boys. Here we go. We're going to get it started. Deep dish pizza sliders. Here it is. All right, so here we go. So, sorry about the lighting. This kind of sucks. Anywho, for the purposes of time, we are going to expedite it. So over here to your left, I got all the ingredients. Just some ham. We're gonna throw in there some pepperoni. We got some mozzarella. We're gonna get to that. Let's see here, the pizza sauce. So all the ingredients are sitting off over here to this side. So if you see me reaching, that's what's going on. Here we go. This is the ingredients. I'm just gonna go ahead and let you know that this is Alaskan Style Pizza we're gonna do for the purposes of time. For the purposes of time, we're gonna go ahead and do this the fast way. I'm not trying to spend too much doing this pizza dough. Because the kids will be coming in here in a little bit and getting involved in the process. So that is why I'm doing this the fast way. Now, Alaskan Style Pizza. It's nothing really fancy. It's just Alaskan Style because this is the recipe that I got from another YouTuber. This is the recipe that I got from another YouTuber who pretty much broke it down how in Alaska they mix the flour with the non-fat plain Greek yogurt. Okay, any brand is fine. Any low fat, medium fat, high fat, it don't matter. Here's the premise. This substitutes the water, the everything else, right? Or however you do your pizza dough. This is going to create a way better tasting pizza dough. So that being said, we're gonna add the non-fat plain Greek yogurt to the flour. Preferably you use, all right, this is where you get your hands dirty. Here we go. You start mixing the Greek yogurt with the flour. See, as you can see, the dough starts coming together really fast. A lot better. So much easier. So I'm gonna go right about there. Take this, put my dough on there, start kneading it. I think I need to size it. I need to size it for this. Okay, so I need to find, I'm gonna say 2 times bigger. This will work. Now I'm gonna do a test hole. Real quick. Let's see here. Stick it in. Test hole, stick it in. See, it almost took shape. So I think what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna use that, I'm gonna go with that. And then I'll probably flatten it out a little bit. Like that. A couple of times, stretch it a little bit. Because really that's all I need. Alright, hope that's in the frame. It don't have to be perfect, but it has to be bigger. Alright, cool. Stick it in there. So here's what I'm doing. Taking it, right? Stick it in, try to keep it centered. Yeah, see, so it might have to be bigger. That'll be helpful. Like this. I don't want that curling though. It's okay. I'm not happy with it, but as long as it's up, this. This is all I'm asking for right here. As long as we can get it straight up. Bam. All right, so now we're gonna cut to the finished product. We're back now, sorry about that. Let me stop this camera motion. There we go. Don't want nobody to get that motion sickness. There's a finished product right there, as you can see, okay? I did oil the pan. We got two of these pans going on, okay? Next, we have some more stacks of more pizzas ready to make when we come back, when we're done. However, this is the finished product. We're gonna get to the sauce here in a second. So now I'm gonna leave this to the boys. I'm gonna go clean up and y'all can watch the boys do this for a little bit. My time-lapse style, so on and so forth. Deuces. So we cooking 400 degrees. As long as it takes, that's how long you cook it for, till it's done. All right, we'll see you when it's finished on the finished product. Sorry, the oil splashed a little bit when I dropped it down. I set it down a little too hard. But here we go. Deep dish sliders, all done, ready to go, looking beautiful. Actually ended up doing this for about 15 minutes. So, looking good, looking good. I'm happy with the finished product. Can't wait to taste them. I know that pizza crust, that Alaskan style pizza crust is the business, okay? Yes, I got the stove coils out. Currently cleaning them. They're soaking. Now, off to dinner. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Appreciate you. Enjoy your pizza sliders. Next time, let me know how you like the Alaskan style crust. Y'all keep it locked. Appreciate the support. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and show some love. All right, we'll see you on the next video. Sanch fam, baby.